to Hendry's flower market today, and these are all the flowers that I picked. Firstly, we have the classic sunflower. Then I got this peony. The color on this is really nice. Then I have a rose. It's really nice. I got the daffodil. This is the iris. And then I have the daisy. This one is like fluffy. Then I have the dandelion. Ooh. They had this in yellow and purple, if I'm not wrong, but I didn't manage to get those. And lastly, I got this. I don't really know what flower this is, but Google says it's a camellia, so yeah, I just really like the color, so that's why I got it. And this is what it looks like all together. I actually set a budget of $50 for myself before going in, so I could only get a max of 8 flowers, including the complimentary one. But I think that's pretty good. There were some other flowers I wanted to get, but I didn't because of my budget. But I'm really happy with the flowers that I did get. Yay! Overall, the experience was okay, even though it was really crowded and quite overwhelming. I'm just glad that there were quite a lot of options, and I'm still kind of sad that all the Singapore exclusives were sold out because I really wanted the orchid, but it's fine. Yeah.